All right, here's the last slide before we move on to cut. The last slide on color and clarity before we move on to cut. Here is that same matrix we just saw on the prior slide, except instead of presenting this as a 5x7 grid, 5 colors and 7 levels of clarity, I'm presenting it here as 35 unique pairs of color and clarity grades, and how they relate to the highest quality pair of D flawless. My GVVS2 benchmark is again highlighted in the center at about 48% of the price of an equivalent D flawless. And, you know, for me, I just really like this visual. It really, it really helps me understand, you know, first of all, let's not to get all philosophical, but if you believe in the efficient market hypothesis, then really this ranking is, you know, essentially telling you which of these two variables is more important and in what order. So it really does give you what is the sliding scale of quality. So if you're at a GVVS2 and you want to save a little money but you don't want to give up on quality, the next thing you're looking at is an H flawless or a D VS2. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know. I tend to like this view, and I think to me it's very helpful to see how all of these 35 pairs sort of rank in terms of price. Now, this matrix data, I should mention, is from a website called PetraGems. That's just one source. So, you know, I would think about, you know, maybe not putting a ton of emphasis on sort of, you know, one-step moves, thinking about things sort of in tiers, if you will, you know, because it may you know, may be different over time. But I actually think this ranking is pretty reliable. In my other course, when I study my diamond database of about 10,000 diamonds, you know, we can really put this ranking to the test and see if what we're seeing in actual diamonds at online retailers matches up to this publicly available survey data from PetraGems. Okay, I'm going to pause on this slide for a moment so you can capture the screen if you like, or just pause and take a break before we discuss the last C, cut.